everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do increasing and decreasing stitches for Tunisian style crocheting. And as you see here, I do have a little swatch worked up where I have been working with increasing and decreasing stitches. Now there's several different ways that you can do both, but I'm going to show you guys the most simplest ways for beginners. And we are going to start off with the increasing stitches. So as you see here, I already have what would be considered as my chain one. And now before I go into that very first stitch, the easiest way that I have found to do an increase stitch is just to do a simple yarn over before you go into your stitch. So I've got my yarn over and I'm going to go into that stitch and just draw up a loop. You will work in pattern, whatever it tells you, and also increase whatever pattern you're doing where the pattern says. So I'm going to finish off this row real quick. Once I have gotten to the end, I will do another increasing stitch real quick. And working in my very last stitch. And for the return pass, you are going to treat as normal. So go ahead and go into that one, pull a loop through that first one, which is going to be our chain one, and then pull through two for our return pass. So that is how you do an increase stitch. And once I've gotten to the end, I will show you guys how to do a decrease stitch real quick. And to do a decrease stitch, what I have found to be the easiest is you will go through that very first bar and that second bar and just draw up a loop. And then continue working in pattern. And then once I get to my very last two stitches, that one where I just increased might be hidden a little bit, I'm going to go through both stitches before I draw up a loop. So that is how you do an increase and a decrease stitch for Tunisian style crocheting. That is the easiest way that I have found. But yeah, that is it. If you guys did enjoy this video, this very short video, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy Tunisian crocheting as much as I have been, and I will see you guys next time.